Hello everyone, welcome to Rasayan Academy guys, and this is another important video, and we are going to be talking about that how can you see your answer keys from and match from the question paper in a very less time, and also how are you going to challenge those answer keys, what are the documents that you have to submit if you want to challenge, what is the fees that you have to pay, and what is the time, okay, till when you can challenge the answer key. All right, so watch the video till the end, and I hope that you are going to get the important stuff and see the paper properly. Okay, so first thing first, let us talk about how to challenge the answer key. Alright, what is basically a piece of information from the notification already, which is given on the CSIR.net website. I hope that you have already visited the notification, right? So the candidates may also challenge the answer key online through the dedicated link and also giving the details of their claims with supporting evidence. So with supporting evidence, if any. So your answer will only be considered if you are sending a PDF of the page of a book, all right, or let's say any reference book or any reference material actually which has a solid ground. So then only your answer will be considered or your claim will be considered. Second thing is your claim will only be considered if you are paying a processing fees of rupees 1000 per answer challenge. So if you are challenging one question, that means you have to pay 1000, two questions 2000, and so on, right? So the fees will only be refunded in just one scenario. The fees will be refunded if the challenge is found to be correct upon verification by the expert. So if you are challenging the question, if the experts find it correct, then only you will be refunded, otherwise not. So the payment can be made online, like always, debit card, net banking, and so on, like you have already done when you are paying the fees for the form. Now this facility will only be available from 3rd of December 12 noon to 5th of December 12 noon. All right, so also the payment could be extended to 2 p.m. So your payment could take a little bit of more time, so it is allowed till 2 p.m., not beyond that. Okay, so beyond that it would not be considered. So you have exactly 2 days to challenge the answer keys. I hope that you are watching this video and figuring out your answers. And yes, let's quickly dive into how to first of all see the question paper and answer key, how to match it properly. Okay, so first thing first, display question paper answer key challenge. This is the link that you first of all open, when you open the website, the official website of CSIR.net, this is the home page, and you just directly have to click over here, display question paper / answer key challenge. Then further, when you have clicked on that, you will have two options in the next tab that opens. So you want to log in through application number and password, or you want to log in through application number and date of birth. This is how it goes. So you can log in through any method, and then you will be able to see these two options, which are where we are going to focus on. View question paper, you are going to open up view question paper in one tab, and the answer key challenge in another tab. So two different tabs you have to open up, one for this, another for this. So how are you going to see the questions? Very simple. For example, I have taken any random question over here. Okay, and you see, first of all, you see a question ID. So what you are going to do is you are going to copy this question, select the question ID and copy. Okay, and then in the next tab, so this is the next tab which is open on the your browser itself. Okay, both of these tabs on the browser. So what you can do is, next you can find, this is CTRL plus F, control find, and then CTRL plus V, copy paste. Okay, so you just have to paste over here and then enter. So your ID question you will obtain like this. And now for this question, the correct answer is option number given over here. So let's say this is the option number, which is the correct one given over here. You go back to that one, you find out 911, where it is. Just see the last few digits, 911. So here is 911, option number 3. So for this question, the correct answer is option number 3. You can do it this way. It's the easiest way to find out, and then you can just note down, just get a printout or just note it down ki theek hai, question 2 is answer number 3, and so on. Okay, So this way you are going to find the answers very easily. Now guys, just matching the answers would, I think, would take you at least 20 minutes or so. Maximum it is going to take you 20 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and after you are done with the question, you can see the question paper and understand that what are the options and so on karke. Okay, all right, so this is how it happens. Now further, when we move onwards to the next page, or let's say when you move onward to the end of this page, so this page continuation I'm showing you, ये जो continuation है this page, question number 9 to question number 120. Okay, so at the end of the page you will get an option, save your claims. So what are the claims that you have made? Claims are which you know that there is some problem with the answer. Let's say you are claiming that question number 120, its answer is given 377 and 377 is answer option number A. So according to the answer key, it is telling you that A is the correct option, but you want to say that no, D is the correct option. So what you do is, you're not filling in option number A, not at all. You are you are filling in option number D or whichever you think is correct, and then you do save your claim. After saving your claim, the next page that you get is like this. So let's say I have challenged this number question, chemical sciences, and this is the question ID, this is the correct option, and this is the option that I have claimed, this is something else. So what you have to do is, first thing first, upload a document. Which document it is talking about? It is the document which is your evidence, that your answer is correct. It can be any PDF from the book itself. Okay, so you don't have to just upload the complete PDF of the book, just upload that one page of the PDF. Okay, convert it into PDF format and then upload it over here. Okay, so now what? The next step is save your claim and pay fee. So you have to pay the fees after saving your claim directly right over here. Or if you want to do multiple claims, then modify your claims, do the multiple claim all at once. Okay? You are not going to pay the fees for one claim and then come back do the claim again. You can do this at once, claim 4 questions, 5 questions, how many you want, and then just directly save your claim and pay the fees. Now you pay the fees. There is going to be an option to pay the fees by your debit or credit card, and after that the questions will be taken. Okay, so this is how you are going to challenge the answer key. The timing you have to remember, only 2 days, 3rd December 12 noon to 5th December 12 noon, right? So this is the timing, only 2 days you have in hands. If you want, you can challenge the answer key, guys. And before moving onwards, let me quickly remind you that I am an educator on Academy and we have very many new courses. As you can see, all of these are new courses for the June 2021 CSI and NET preparation. Okay, for all of those who are new on Unacademy, they haven't watched any session, guys. Where have you been? Because we are creating a lot of free content every month. So there are a lot of free classes also. So if you follow me, I will tell you, and if you watch my special classes, which are the free classes regularly on Unacademy, you will get to know there are a lot of free classes. So for the month of December, I am planning 30 to 35 free sessions already. Okay, and there are also some free YouTube sessions on Unacademy live YouTube channel. Okay, so that was about the free class. What about the paid plus classes? Now plus classes are actually, it's like a premium stuff and you get completely designed courses. Now these are all designed courses for your syllabus completion and practice. Okay, so first thing first, that you are getting practice booster for GATE. So this course is practice booster for GATE. There are 3 educators. We are practicing all the important questions which might appear in your GATE exam. So we are also doing previous year questions and the probable questions which could be asked. Along with this, guys, you have new session starting, new June 2021 session starting from 1st of December itself. Okay, so I am posting on 3rd of December but the classes have already begun. So two courses are already active. Both of these are in English, and both of these courses are in active right now. The upcoming courses, you can see there are three upcoming courses over here. If you want, guys, you can join me up on Unacademy if you're having any doubt regarding these courses. If you want to join but not able to understand and so on, so you can message me on Telegram right over here. So CSIR Net 2021 is my group, Telegram group. If you want, you can join up, and if you already know, you can directly use the code JAGRITIS for a 10% discount on Unacademy Plus. Now there's one more thing, that one Unacademy subscription, one CSIR Net subscription gives access to all the educators. Okay, all the educators under CSIR Net category, that is your aptitude, your all the educators basically, whoever you want to study from. And also there's an important announcement that I want to make, guys. So देखो, special batch for CSIR and GATE 2021. So the thing is, there is a price hike alert. All of the Unacademy educators have been informing you about this. I'm also informing you that if you want to subscribe now, that is the best thing that you could do, because there is going to be a price hike very soon. And also there is one thing that I have noticed, ki hamesha after every 6 months there is a price hike. So if you want to take a 12-month subscription, if you are thinking that okay, you will study for 6 months and then you will take another 6 month subscription, that is going to cost you a lot. So if you are thinking of taking a 12-month or 24-month subscription, now is the best time. Okay, and the prices are going on hiking. ठीक है, so after every 6 months the price hikes, does a little bit of hike, right? So if you want, you can join up through this. So this is the actual price, 11,550, and if you want for 12 months, for 24 months it is 16,800. Now if you want, you can use this code Jagriti S, and that gives you a 10% discount over the price. Further, using credit points are earned by watching more and more free classes. So further using credit points, you will get another 10% discount. So maximum discount is 20% on the 11. For example, just giving you an idea, so this is going to reduce to 9,350 approximately, like that. This is approximate, okay, depends on your credit points, how much do you have. So maximum discount you're going to get like this. So in 9,350 you are getting 1 year subscription, and all educators, all CSIR Net educators, as well as aptitude. Okay, this is what you are getting, guys, and a lot of practice and revision as well. Okay, along with the doubt clearing session. So I think that you are watching this detailed study of important topics, exhaustive question practice, theory and practice courses, two different type of courses we have, doubt clearing session, everything is live. Everything is live. Regular quizzes and mock test, mock analysis session. So you can actually ask question in real time. That is the best thing. Okay, guys. So now I will see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you think that you don't want to have the subscription yet, at least visit the free classes. Those are very important. At least visit the free classes, guys. Okay, so thank you once again, and I will see you very soon.